Alright, so I started my topic of cultural diversity a few minutes before, but I was not able to move on because let's talk about it. America is a land of cultural diversity, and my opinion is under no circumstances any particular league should be dictating their supremacy over others. There are some section of people who want to dictate with their rigid value system See, if we are not adaptable to the new generation, or we are not adaptable to the right value system, instead of you want to follow the orthodox value system, which probably are more damaging rather than bringing us up, then I think we are creating our own differences. Or there are people in power who want those differences to be there in the society. The people in the power who wants to divide the society by creating those orthodox values so that you should not unite yourself. Please understand, those people in power who are playing politics to divide you are just monetizing on you and are just capitalizing on your orthodox value system. If you do not adapt change, or if you do not get along with the different religions, or you do not get along with opting their values which are healthy, again I'm saying everybody has their conservative values, but why not opt for those values which are healthy for our community, which are healthy for our ecosystem, which are healthy for individuals mindset, which are healthy for anybody's upbringing as a good human. If we are able to adapt ourselves towards that ecosystem, I think the whole world will be a better place. When anybody wants to create a pressure on the society by doing evil things, representing themselves as powerful, and wants to dictate the society that, okay, if you do not follow our system, we can rip off your life. Look, we ripped off the life of this girl, and how shamelessly we ripped off the life of this girl by showing her feminism, degrading her feminism, by degrading her from bedroom to bathroom. And look at this girl, she's not being employed anywhere, she's not being considered for right profession. This is how we damage somebody's life who do not follow our orthodox value system, or anyone who does not become a yes man or a yes woman. Or if you have an ability to question. So these are those people who want to silence you by doing nuisance things on the society, dividing you, being empowered on you, and creating an example. See, if you do not follow us, this is what we will do to you. These are the leadership people you want to give to your society. I cannot tolerate all that nonsense. Honestly, after going through all this nonsense also today, I feel there is a scope of making our society much better, much safer from this nuisance, and we give the right of dignity to everybody, right of integrity to everybody, right of freedom to everybody, rather than some group of people enjoying that power and manipulating us. If you are in my support, if you align with me, please support me in open, publicly, so that we can have our community that can stand up for each other for the right values and raising those standards of our cultural diversity. Please support me in open, publicly. That is what is needed.